Ahead of the EICMA 2025 event in Milan this November, the two-wheeled world is alive with anticipation. Every major manufacturer is gearing up to reveal its next big leap, but no name echoes through the halls of innovation quite like Honda. Known for its relentless pursuit of perfection, Honda stands once again at the forefront of motorcycle evolution. This year's EICMA stage isn't just about incremental upgrades, it's about redefining what a motorcycle can be. And at the center of this anticipation stands one machine that has already captured the imagination of riders across the globe, the Honda V3R E-Compressor. From the moment whispers of this bike surfaced, the excitement was impossible to ignore. Honda had teased something entirely new, a concept so bold that it promised to change the way performance and efficiency coexist. The journey began when Honda first unveiled the V3 electric turbo prototype, a technological statement that stunned the audience at last year's EICMA. But now, after months of speculation, development, and refinement, that concept has evolved into something real, tangible, and ready to ride. At a recent business briefing held in Tokyo, Minoru Kato, the general manager of Honda's motorcycle and power products division, stood alongside Daki Mihara, head of the electric business division. Together, they confirmed what enthusiasts had been waiting to hear: the V3 electric turbo prototype had officially reached its ride-ready stage. The announcement wasn't just another product update. It was a declaration of intent. Honda was stepping boldly into the future of motorcycling, blending raw mechanical power with intelligent electric engineering in a way the world had never seen before. The V3 electric turbo represents a milestone in motorcycle innovation. Beneath its sculpted frame lies the world's first V3-cylinder engine equipped with an electric supercharger. This unique layout isn't just an engineering marvel, it's a symbol of Honda's vision to harmonize adrenaline and sustainability. The engine is designed to deliver a thrilling rush of acceleration while minimizing environmental impact, proving that high performance doesn't have to come at the cost of responsibility. At the heart of this system is a perfectly balanced 900cc power plant built around a 75-degree V-angle configuration. The electric supercharger works in sync with traditional combustion, compressing intake air at lower revs to eliminate turbo lag and deliver instant response. The result: over 100 horsepower and more than 100 Nm of torque on demand. The V3 engine doesn't roar like a twin or hum like a triple. It sings its own distinctive note, blending aggression and smoothness in a way no other configuration ever has. Honda engineers say that when the V3R takes off, it doesn't just accelerate, it surges forward with a seamless wave of power, as if the motorcycle itself is alive. And to prove its potential, Honda plans to put the bike to the ultimate test at Suzuka, the company's home circuit and a sacred ground for speed. Picture it, the sound of the V3's electric turbo echoing down the straight, its exhaust note sharp and clean, as riders push it through corners with precision. Every twist of the throttle a reminder that the line between tradition and technology has officially blurred. Design-wise, the V3R E-Compressor captures everything Honda stands for: elegance, aggression, and purpose. Leaked design images reveal a futuristic naked roadster with sharp aerodynamic surfaces and high-mounted dual exhausts. Its frame combines a lightweight steel tubular structure with an aluminum single-sided swingarm, a visual statement that merges strength and sophistication. The front end wears winglets sculpted to improve downforce. At high speed, while the headlight design takes cues from the next-generation Neo Sports Café language, giving it a modern yet unmistakably Honda identity. Adorned with the iconic HRC livery, the prototype embodies Honda Racing Corporation's DNA. Every detail, from the paint finish to the sculpted fuel tank and minimalist tail section, whispers performance. It's a machine built not just for the road, but for those who live for the sensation of pure connection between man and machine. But this isn't just about looks. The V3R's underlying technology pushes boundaries in every direction. The E-Compressor system doesn't just enhance performance, it also aids fuel efficiency, keeping emissions lower than traditional high-output engines. It's Honda's way of saying that the future of speed can be sustainable. That power and conscience can exist side by side. As Kato explained during the press briefing, Honda's long-term strategy isn't merely to electrify its lineup, but to create synergy between electric and internal combustion technologies. The V3 project is the first step in that evolution, a platform that may eventually lead to hybrid performance motorcycles capable of intelligent energy distribution and advanced riding modes. For now, though, the focus remains on the V3R E-Compressor as the symbol of this new era. Motorcycle enthusiasts around the world are already calling it the rebirth of Honda's performance legacy. After the CB1000R and the CBR Fireblade defined the modern sport standard, the V3R is poised to mark the beginning of something entirely new, a category that blends the soul of a street fighter with the heart of an electric boosted performance engine. Imagine it parked under the spotlight at EICMA 2025, its angular silhouette reflecting under bright lights, journalists and photographers circling for a closer look. The moment the engine starts, a deep mechanical growl fills the air, followed by the distinct turbo whine that hints at something futuristic. The crowd doesn't just see a motorcycle. They see the next chapter in Honda's evolution. The company has already registered the names V3R and V3R E-Compressor with European authorities, which confirms that production plans are in motion. This isn't just a showpiece, it's a real motorcycle that Honda intends to bring to the market. Although final specifications are still under wraps, early reports suggest the bike will include a suite of electronic aids, advanced traction control, launch assist, and adaptive power mapping linked to the E-Compressor's output curve. Each system designed to deliver smooth, controlled power whether you're carving mountain roads or testing your limits on the track. Honda's focus on rider experience extends to every detail. The seating position strikes a perfect balance between aggression and comfort, while the chassis geometry promises quick handling without sacrificing stability. LED lighting, digital instrumentation, and integrated smart connectivity all reflect the modern direction of Honda's design philosophy, blending practicality with passion. In many ways, the V3R E-Compressor represents the spirit of Honda's legacy, a bridge between the mechanical artistry of the past and the digital intelligence of the future. It carries forward the craftsmanship that defined icons like the RC30 and CB1100 while introducing technologies that will shape the next decade of motorcycling. At a time when the motorcycle industry is rapidly shifting toward electrification, Honda's V3R project proves that the combustion engine still has life, but it must evolve intelligently. The integration of an electric supercharger isn't just about raw numbers, it's about redefining the riding experience. Instant torque, continuous power, and emotional connection, all wrapped in one dynamic package. The stage is set. As the countdown to EICMA 2025 continues, the world waits to see Honda's next move. Will the V3R dominate the stage once again, as the V3 concept did the year before? Judging by Honda's precision and consistency, the answer seems inevitable. For now, all that's left is the anticipation, that rare feeling every true motorcyclist knows when something extraordinary is about to arrive. A feeling that makes you want to grab your helmet, twist the throttle, and chase the horizon just to see what's next. The Honda V3R E-Compressor isn't just another motorcycle. It's a promise of what's to come. A vision where technology amplifies passion instead of replacing it. A machine built not just for speed, but for the soul of every rider who still believes that innovation should feel alive. The world is ready to witness a new era begin, one defined by balance, brilliance, and the unmistakable sound of Honda's future roaring to life. Every revolution begins with one bold idea. And for Honda, that idea now has a name, the V3R E-Compressor. The wait is almost over. And the future is already here.